Does this change India's economy here, and how?
At this stage, I would say that the successful launch of this mini space shuttle is a technology demonstrator. It has the potential because one of the distinctive features is the low cost with which this particular shuttle has been launched and the experiment has been deemed successful. I would not extrapolate this to say that it would make any immediate difference to the Indian economy, but in the long term, India could emerge as a credible player as far as the use of space shuttles are concerned in a number of applications. So to that extent, I think the economic returns or the economic benefits to India are for the long term and not for just now.
Well, absolutely. We've seen that economic return play out under the NASA program that has spawned innovation from the United States that has really, truly changed the world in which we live. But still, India is only spending a fraction of what NASA spends a year. $19 billion budget for NASA. India, just a fraction of that. So really, how much impact can it have?
Well, I think that really is, as I said, the distinctive feature that if you look at the NASA program as the benchmark and what India has done over the years, the cost is about a tenth, and that's saying a lot. Now, this particular experiment or the technology demonstrator of today cost a little under $15 million. Now, it's about 95 crores in Indian rupees. Now, if you look at the comparable figures for the other countries that have preceded India as far as space shuttles are concerned, and this includes the United States, Russia, France, Japan, China, you do observe that India's real advantage, what it brings to the table, is the ability to get a much higher return in terms of the domain capacity or capability for the fiscal investment. And I think as we go ahead over the next decade, if India is able to position itself appropriately, I think there is going to be an enormous benefit both for India and a number of countries that would like to take advantage or benefit from the low-cost option that India provides. And as you rightly pointed out, there are a number of applications where a credible capability in terms of space launches could have a number of dividends. And at the end of the day, I think the way in which it would impact the socio-economic and the development agenda would be of considerable value, I think, to India.